Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistant on your headphones Soundcore P20i. You have to start by open the application and after that go to controls. Now by default we have it on the press and hold, but you can also add it for the single press and double press. Add the same with the right one. So let's say I wanna add it on the single tap, so I click on it and choose voice assistant. And now if I press on my left earbud, I will call Google Assistant. And as you can see, it works. The same with the press and hold, like what it have by default. And as you can see, it also awake. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!